Plants and algae both produce glucose through photosynthesis. Remember that glucose is made in this process, so carbon dioxide reacts with water to create glucose and oxygen. Bear in mind it isn't only plant cells that photosynthesize, algal cells do as well. For the exam, you should learn what the glucose produced by photosynthesis is used for. So, how is this glucose used? Like all living cells, plant and algal cells respire all the time. Chemically, respiration is the opposite of photosynthesis. In respiration, glucose produced by photosynthesis reacts with oxygen from the air and produces carbon dioxide and water. Respiration also transfers energy for cell processes. What else is glucose used for? Glucose can be used to produce fats or oils, or it can be converted into insoluble starch. So then, the glucose produced by plants can be turned into fats or oils, or it can be converted into starch. Both of these are methods of storage. As glucose is soluble, it affects the water balance of cells, so storing it as starch means it does not affect the water balance. So, glucose is soluble in cells and starch is insoluble. Remember that osmosis is affected by the concentration of soluble molecules such as glucose, so if a cell contains a high concentration of glucose, water may move in and cause it to swell or even burst. However, as starch is insoluble, it can be safely stored in cells without affecting the water balance, and therefore without affecting osmosis. So what's the role of glucose in cell wall production? Glucose is also used to produce cellulose, which strengthens the cell wall. So glucose molecules are also converted to the polymer cellulose, which forms the strong cell walls of the plant and algal cells. What other substances can glucose be used to produce? Glucose is also used to produce amino acids for protein synthesis. To produce proteins, plants also use nitrate ions absorbed from the soil. So, plants use amino acids and nitrate ions found in the soil in order to synthesize amino acid polymers or proteins. These proteins are needed by the plant for growth and repair.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!